Hey guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are doing the BoxyCharm unboxing. So it is finally arrived and it is the month of May. So we are doing the May BoxyCharm. I need to find, oh maybe I can just break it open. Let's break into this bad boy. Alright, so I have no idea what's in this box this month. I can't remember, and I know I'm in a couple of makeup groups online that have spoilers, but I don't remember what we're getting. So this is what the box looks like, and is it just me or did they change the shape of the boxes? I remember the boxes being like a lot wider and not as tall. I don't know, it seems very strange. So this month's box, when you open it, it looks like this. It has all of the crap that's in it. So this month's box is Make Waves, and it comes with all of the products that we're getting in it, so that's exciting. So the very first thing that I see in the box is this giant Glam Glow thing. So this is Hollywood, California Glam & Go Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. So it's this really holographic box. I actually have no idea what Glam & Glow is, so I'm gonna have to read into it a little bit and figure it out. This is obviously a cleanser because that's what it says, but I've never actually heard of this brand before. So it is fragrance free and it retails for $28, so that's pretty cool. So there's no fragrance to it at all, so if you have really sensitive skin, this will be a really great cleanser. The packaging looks exactly like the box. It's the same colors and the same holographic kind of style, and you get 150 milliliters, so you get 5 fluid ounces. And it says apply to wet face, gently massage even in circular motions, rinse well and pat dry, use daily as desired. So I will have to test this out in a separate video, but it retails for $28 and there's no scent to it, so that's really cool. So I'll have to test that out. That's really awesome. The next thing that I see in here is Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. So that looks like this. So this is a cream eyeshadow and it retails for $21. So your new vintage by Jessica Lipskind Cashmere Lip Pencil delivers natural looking definition with minimal effort. So this is a metallic eyeshadow, I guess, like an eyeshadow pencil. I've never heard of these before. Okay, so that's really interesting. So it is a Eye Lust cream eyeshadow and it's like a metallic purple color, and it looks like this when you take it out. So it's very similar to the ones that I got from, I believe it was from BH Cosmetics, those liquid eyeshadows. So it's very similar to that, but it's like a metallic kind of purple color and it's really pretty. So I will have to test this out in another video as well. So I'm starting to see a trend with the colors that I'm getting in this month's box. So that's really cool. So that retails for, again, $21. So the next thing that I see in the box is Kiss of Fire by Dose of Colors. So it looks like this. It's this really pretty kind of coral color. And when I take it out of the packaging, it looks like this. So it's this really gorgeous frosted glass kind of lip, whatever. I don't have anything by the brand Dose of Color, I don't believe. I may, I'll have to double check, but I don't think I do. And when I open it up, it looks like this. So it is like a fuchsia kind of pink color. It's really gorgeous. So that's what the packaging looks like. I really liked the stained glass color, and Kiss of Fire is a really gorgeous color, so it's obviously like a red kind of fuchsia pigment. And that retails for $18, which is pretty standard. That's exactly on par with Jeffree Star's lipsticks that I have in my collection. So I will have to, again, test that out in the future. $18 is pretty great though. And the next thing that I see is a vintage cashmere lip pencil. So I have a lip pencil and it retails for, oh sorry, the Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow retails for $22, whereas the Jessica Lipskind Cashmere Lip Pencil retails for $21. So this is the packaging, what it looks like. This is the lip pencil that I got. It is just kind of like a kind of purpley plum, almost a nude color. It's really pretty, but I really don't use lip pencils, so I don't really line my lips, so I'll probably put this to the side and give this away. I really don't have any desire to use lip pencils, so I'm just going to put that away. So that retails for $21, and if you like lining your lips, that's great, that's awesome. I just personally don't need it or use it, so I'm just gonna put that to the side. And the last thing that I see in the box is the Almar blush trio. I recall that I got to pick the item that came in my box, and I don't recall picking this, so that's kind of interesting. I'm gonna have to Google or look up and see which one that I picked, because I don't remember picking the blush trio. I remember picking the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna have to double check that. But this is what it looks like. It is really pretty. It's a gorgeous palette. You get Seclusion, Isla, I don't even know how to say that, and Toasted, and there's these really gorgeous blushes. But I am going to double check to make sure that I got the right product, because I don't remember picking the blush. Okay, I see. It was either the highlight or the blush, and it didn't really, you didn't get a choice in which one. You just got to pick between the two, and they were going to send you whichever one you want, whichever one they wanted to send you. So I got the blush. So I'm going to be giving this away to one of my girlfriends, because I don't need another blush palette. So this is by the brand Almar, and Almar is a really great brand. I have their eyeshadow palette, the one that we got last summer in BoxyCharm, and I really like the palette. So this retails for $22. The packaging is really gorgeous. The packaging is this blue kind of scaly, almost fish-like packaging, and then on the inside the blush looks like this. It is these really gorgeous colors. I'm not going to do swatches of them though. I'm not going to do swatches of them though, because I'm going to be giving this away to one of my girlfriends. So I'll probably give her the lip pencil and the Almar Cosmetics blush palette, because I personally just don't need either of them. They're both really gorgeous. I just don't need another blush palette, because I've gotten enough blushes in my collection, and I barely use blush in the first place. I use bronzer mostly, so I'm going to be giving this away. So I'm going to quickly total up this entire box and tell you guys the total, and yeah. So the total of this box is $111, so that is still a really good deal. I only paid $36 for this entire box, and I got $111 worth of product. So since I am going to be giving away two of the products, I'm going to be giving away the lip pencil, which was $21, and I'm going to be giving away the palette, which is $22. The total of the box is $68 for me, so I'm still getting over half of what I paid for. So I'm paying $34 or $36, and I'm getting $68 worth of products. So it's still a really great deal, even though I'm giving two of the products away. So I'm not mad at this box at all. I think that the Glam and Glow cleanser that they sent out is really awesome. I have recently been using the Tula cleanser that I got in my FabFitFun box a couple months ago, and that is one of my favorite cleansers. As of recently, it has made my skin feel really great, really hydrated, and it stopped me from getting breakouts. So I'm going to try this Glam and Glow cleanser once I run out of the Tula one, and hopefully it doesn't break me out. But since it's fragrance free, it should be really great, and it's a conditioning cleanser, so that's awesome. I think the Tarte, I think it's Tarte, is that what it is? No, it's not Tarte. It's the Ciat London Eyeliner Cream Shadow is really gorgeous. I will do a swatch on my hand right here just so you guys can see what it looks like. And I think it's really pretty. It's like a very shimmery, really gorgeous eye topper. So it's really reflective and really gorgeous, and it's this kind of pale purple, almost lilac color, and it is really pretty. Eyeshadow toppers, I think they're really pretty, so I'm really excited to use this in a future video, and that color that we got is really gorgeous. It's very sparkly and very pretty. And then of course the Dose of Colors lipstick is really gorgeous as well, so I'm excited to try this out, because I don't remember if I have any in my collection. I think I may have one, but I don't know if I've ever used it. So I'm really happy with this box this month. This box was really great. The three main products that I like obviously was the cleanser, the eye topper, and the lipstick. I'm going to be giving away the two other products, but still it is a really great deal. So if you guys aren't already signed up with BoxyCharm, then I would definitely recommend it. And then next month is the Boxy Luxe box. So we will be getting a way bigger box for, I think it's like $60 a month or something for me in Canada. And it is $60 every 3 months for me in Canada, and we're going to be getting like 6 or 7 products, so I'm really excited for that box in the next month. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at my next video. Bye!